Today's February 5th, 2019, and this is episode 35 of Plane Savers. Good morning, everybody. It is minus 37 in Yellowknife, which is minus 35 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not minus 40. That 3 degrees actually feels a little bit warmer if you actually believe me. Sometimes I don't believe myself. So we have a special guest today, 11,089 miles away. And yeah, that's a Twin Otter. Twin Otter enhancing the audio today. Let's check them out. Air Tindy Twin Otter giving us a little bit of a taxi by. Let's head to our special guest, 11,089 miles away. But first, let's jump on Google because I won't be able to afford a plane ticket that far away. Okay, folks, here we are at the Buffalo Airways ramp. As you can see, there's lots of airplanes. Okay, let's zoom all the way out. So there's Yellowknife, there's Great Slave Lake, there's Northwest Territories, there's Canada, there's North America, there's the Earth. Oh, a little too far. Oh, a little far. There's the Earth. Let's head 11,089 miles away to the bottom of the Earth. Here's Antarctica, and let's head over to Casey Station right now. Super smooth. There she is. This is as far as you can go away from Yellowknife, and let's join the Aussie ace, my buddy Will from Australia. Let's join him now in Antarctica.
G'day Mikey, just wanted to let you know how much we're enjoying the show, and we're really impressed with the group of people you're bringing together. That's a great community, and special thanks for introducing Jay to everyone. Here she is. We're in Casey Skiway in Antarctica. It's only -6 here, but it is the opposite end of the world to you, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, enjoy your -40. And yeah, we've been supporting science down here for the last couple of months, and in a few weeks we'll be heading back through the Americas up your way. And yeah, thanks a lot for the show, and keep it up. Cheers.
I just want to take this time to thank Will and everybody down in Antarctica, all the scientists doing all their science stuff, hopefully saving the world. But in the video, Will said he was at Casey Skiway, which is 10 kilometers east of Casey Station. So if you follow this little trail here, all the way over here, 10 kilometers, and we zoom out a bit here, look at that. You see that right there? That's Will's runway right there. So that's Casey Skiway right there. A little bit of a ramp area, I guess, but yeah. So let's zoom out. And yeah, so look, that's his runway right there. Isn't that crazy? All the way out again. Here's Antarctica, and you know it's -5. But while we're here, let's head over to another, because we're close. Let's head over to Dakota Park in New Zealand, where I have another special guest. It's going to show us something very cool that's in Dakota Park. Let's check this out.
Hey Mikey, this is Amy from Christchurch, New Zealand. We're in Dakota Park. This is an underbridge, and it has a lot of planes in Buffalo Green for you to enjoy.
Big thanks to Amy and her husband for showing us that underpass in Dakota Park. Now let's head back to Google and go for a ride. Okay, that was fun visiting New Zealand, but on the way home, let's visit the Museum of Mountain Flying in Missoula, Montana, and let's visit Montana Mikey. He has an update for us with Miss Montana.
Good morning from Missoula, Montana. This is Montana Mikey, and welcome to the Museum of Mountain Flying in Missoula, Montana. It's the home of Miss Montana, our C-47. A couple episodes back, you might remember that we're looking for a co-pilot seat, and Buffalo Joe has got one. He seems to want to trade something for it. And we got a little Avenger here. I'm not trading that one away. We got some stuff in here. Not sure what's in here. That's our pilot seat. obviously we're looking for the co-pilot seat. There's some stuff over here. Rummage around through this. We're probably gonna need that. Probably gonna need that too. A lot of the stuff, I'm sure Joe's got better stuff than we do when it comes to there. So pretty sure we're gonna need at least one of these. So probably ought to hang on to that. This thing here, we're in the middle of yellow already. That ain't so bad. So just a bunch of random fuel tank parts. Like I'm saying, I'm not really sure. There's a lot of stuff here that might interest you, Joe. We've got a various hanging from the ceiling. This thing here, though, you might like. This was used to deliver mail in the Big Hole Valley in Montana back in the day. Guy built a couple of them, pushed it with an old Lycoming, or excuse me, this is a Continental. And so, you know, that fit right in with what you guys got probably up there. This is just some way old stuff that definitely probably not going to want any part of. So windshield wiper motor, that might work, but a lot of old engine cal. A lot of this stuff is just stuff that we've collected over the years in the museum. People came in and dropped off of various aircraft that we've got in the museum. Ooh, look at this. What do we got here? This could be, what is the radio? Ooh, I could use that in my airplane. That's newer than the one I got. Ah, yeah, there's a little Lycoming R680 here. I don't know if we'd be willing to part with this or not. Probably not, but we got some pretty cool old engines here, and definitely not going to want to get rid of any of this stuff. But you know, you can sure stare at it and think you might want to have it for your own. Hopefully, there might be something in there that, you know, some of them little trinkets you could do, or just you know, feel sorry for us and let us use it for the trip over there until we can find ourselves one. So here we are, right back to our ship, Miss Montana. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this, and thank you again, Mikey, for letting us be on your show and in a part of the Plane Savers. Thanks again, and until next time.
Wow, that is one awesome museum. Thanks, Montana Mikey, for showing us around. Don't forget to check out MissMontanaToNormandy.com, where you guys can help out. Look, there's even a little donate button over here. You guys can hit that, help these guys out. They're going to Normandy, and wish them all the best luck in the world. So hopefully you guys liked that trip. We were in Antarctica, New Zealand, and Montana. So we're back in Yellowknife right now. And I just want to show you some couple cool things. One thing I want to show you guys is that we got some 1830 engine tools donated to us from Dan. Thank you, Dan. Dan worked on LFR and actually took the picture that First Air used on Instagram. I believe that was far north of Resolute. That was like Eureka almost. Thank you, Dan, for the donation of your tools. Okay, folks, one more thing I want to catch up on. I want to give a big thank you to Bob at 5 Star Credit Union in Alabama. Bob actually sent me, believe this or not, his old iMac. Yes, this is another iMac. Bob and I were communicating on email, and I was going to surprise you guys with this, but our old buddy Cliff from Australia sent me a brand new one. So I want to thank Bob for sending me this iMac again. Yes, that's 2 iMacs. I'm very, very fortunate. But I got a plan with this one. My brother is upstairs in his office, and he's complaining he's got an old laptop. So I'm going to sneak into Rod's office, set this up for him, and hopefully he likes it, and hopefully we can get some paperwork done. So thank you, Bob. This computer is going to go to really good hands, actually my brother's hands, to work directly with Transport Canada to get our airplane flying. Okay, guys, I look like a complete idiot, but I got the GoPro on my head. I'm going to try this new time-lapse feature. I think it's called Super Hyperlapse or whatever it's called. But anyway, I'm going to bring the computer up to Rod's office and set it up for him. And I got my paperwork here to prove to Transport Canada that I own the airplane, and I give Rod all the rights to interact with Transport on my behalf. So let's head up to Rod's office where I'll bring him the Mac. Hey folks, here's the computer. It's all set up. See, there's handsome me. We got all the paperwork Rod needs to start dealing with Transport Canada. wireless mouse, wireless keyboard. Big thank you to Bob at 5 Star Credit Union in Alabama. Really good job. This is really going to help us get the paperwork we need to get the airplane in the air. Well, folks, hopefully that worked out. There goes the 46. We had a great episode today. Woo! From Antarctica to New Zealand to Montana to new computers and to a new day starting tomorrow, folks. So be safe, and we'll see you very soon.